Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams with ADHD. First, let's set up your study space for success. Break down big topics into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes the task feel less overwhelming and easier to start. Find a quiet spot free from distractions, and use a planner to schedule specific study times. Knowing your peak focus hours helps you maximize your effort. Now, let's make your study sessions more engaging. Don't just passively read. Actively test yourself with flashcards or by explaining concepts out loud. This active recall strengthens your memory. Remember to take short, frequent breaks, perhaps every 25 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Switching between different types of study materials can also keep things interesting and your brain engaged. Distractions can be a major hurdle, so let's tackle them head-on. Turn off all phone notifications and close any unnecessary tabs on your computer. If background noise is an issue, consider using noise-canceling headphones. Try the Pomodoro technique. Focus for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. And don't forget to reward yourself for reaching study milestones. It boosts motivation. Finally, consistent review and self-care are crucial for exam success. Don't cram. Instead, review material regularly over time. Prioritize getting adequate sleep, as it significantly impacts your memory and ability to concentrate. Fuel your brain with nutritious meals and incorporate light exercise or mindfulness practices to manage stress. Taking care of your well-being is just as important as studying the material.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.